Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Hostinger as a beginner. So if you have just started your business and you want to get a domain and a website, or maybe you just want to have a domain or website for any other reason, so don't worry, in this video I'll show you how it can be possible. First you have to open a browser and then search for Hostinger. After that you will be onto its website. Once you get there, you will see the option for start now. Simply click onto it, and after that, you have to get its subscription. There are three different plans. You can use the one that goes with your preferences and needs. You can explore their features, prices, and whatever you pick, you have to simply log in using your email address, and after that, you will get into the homepage of Hostinger. Once you get to its homepage, now you have to start with a domain. So for that reason, on the left side, you have to click on domain. And after that, you will see the option for add new domain. If you have an existing one, you can also use it. So here we have two options like start with a new one or transfer your existing one. If you want to start with a new one, then you have two options through which you have to get a domain. Domain is basically your URL or the name of your website. If you use this AI feature, you have to simply explain your idea or your business in case you have no clue what sort or what name you want for your domain. Simply explain your idea and click on generate. Based on your idea, it will suggest you some of the names. From there, if you like any one of these, you can use it. But if you don't want that, you want the domain of your own, if you have name, then you can also get it. For that, you have to click on get the domain, and then you have to simply write your name. If that name is available, like no other person has got that name, then it will show you and you have to purchase it. Once you have searched for it, it will show you all the names, and if it is available, you have to buy it. Once you buy it, now you have a domain. It's time to get a website. So for that, you have to click on website, and after that, you have to create a website. Basically, if you have a website, you can just simply upload it and use it. Otherwise, if you want to the website to be created using AI, it can be also possible. To use the Hostinger AI website builder, you have to simply search for Hostinger AI website builder, then you will get its free trial. If you have the subscription, then you can use it that way. Now you will be onto this page. Here we have two options for the name and the description. In the name, you have to write the name of the website that you want to, and in the description, simply explain your idea, like what kind of website you want, and after that, click on create a website. After that, it will start processing for creating a website. This will hardly take 2 minutes. Then it will be like this. You can choose different color themes based on your preferences. Then click on continue, and here is your website. Now here you can do any sort of customization. You can just simply edit text, edit colors, pages, whatever you want. And after that, your website is ready. You can just simply get its subscription to make it live. Here we also have its mobile version. You can get the idea how it will look in a mobile and how it will look in the desktop. So that is all about Hostinger. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.